Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to use watch window feature in Excel. In your Excel sheet, if you would like to watch the important cell data, then you must highlight the cell. But if you have a lot of rows that you cannot be easy to reach that rows. In this case, how can you use the watch list feature to monitor the particular cell's value? Let's learn how you can do this. In my Excel sheet, I would like to monitor the rows of 10 to 15, the columns of total value. So I selected 10 to 15. Then I have to go to formula. Then I have to click on the watch window. This will be open the watch window. Then you can click on the add watch. By default, it will be selected rows highlighted. Then you have to click on the add. Now the selected cells value has been added in your watch list. This will be shows the Excel sheet name and sheet number and what you selected the cells and the values. Also it shows the formula, what formula you have used in the selected cells. Now you can monitor this 6 cell value an easy way. That means if you are moved anywhere, you can just click on the particular cells. It will be directly highlighted in that product. Also, if you would like to change the values, if you change the sales quantity, total value has been changed. This will be automatically updated in the watch list. I would like to change the sales quantity as 70. Now the value has been changed. You can check it out. The value also has been changed. So you can also add the another sheet value that you can monitor for these two values. Then I have to click on the add watch. You can also move for the first sheet and you can directly click values. It automatically move for the second sheet selected value. In this way, you can easy to watch the particular cell's value by using watch window feature. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.